Hello all, this is a quick review of the Dokehom 90-liter laundry basket. We really like this laundry basket. It fits a lot of clothes and it's easy to carry around. Our laundry room is on a different floor than our bedroom, so we typically fill this up and tote it to downstairs. And what's great are these handles. These handles, they are plastic, but it's sturdy plastic with these rubber grips here. So it's really easy to load up and move it on down. The other nice thing is that this, of course, is collapsible. If you are done with it and wish to put it away, you can fold it down like so. But we typically keep it upright and, of course, load it up with clothes. It's a kind of a nice, almost a canvas material. So it's been quite durable. And you can see it does get a little wrinkly, but you could throw a little steamer on that and take care of that. Of course, when you fold it down, it'll wrinkle a bit. But of course, it says laundry on it, so no mistake in terms of what you're going to put in there. Doesn't get confused with other boxes by the kids or anything. We have these for the kids as well, who store their laundry in it. So we really like it. Anyway, great for carrying around to different levels of the house simply with these handles. It's pretty much the favorite part. Just makes it easy to maneuver. All right, there you have it. We really like it.